Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw money from Whoop. Withdrawing money from Whoop is actually pretty easy. Start by going to your profile, then tap on the payment methods, add a new payment method by entering your card details and address. Hit save. Once that's set up, head over to your balance and select withdraw to bank. Standard withdrawals usually take around 3 to 5 business days, while instant withdrawals can land in your account in about 30 minutes. You'll receive an email confirmation so you know it went through. Keep in mind there's a 0.25% withdrawal fee, and if you're outside the US, there's an extra 1% cross border fee. If anything seems off or delayed, don't worry. Whoop's customer support is easy to reach and usually quick to respond. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.